hello everyone. Hi guys, hello to you all. Good morning, good afternoon. I greet you all according to your time, depending where you are watching this video from. So guys, in today's video, I greet you all my subscriber before I forget, all my membership. Much love and much kisses to you all. So in today's video, this video dey very strong, my people. Make una carry una share, make una sit down well, make una not blink una eye the way I dey blink my own. So make una just open una eye nya for ground, make una open una ear, make una listen to this thing very well, and make una see leave una comment under the comment section. Make una tell me what una think about this video, whether na bad it or even help person for this life, my people. Okay, the topic can't go like this, it can't come like this. So this girl, she can't call me, she's the lady, she never born. She can't call me, say, Mama did this, she won't come visit me. Una not say for my house, you cannot come and visit me. Yes, I don't bring visitor to my house. No. Nothing I say, no, I know they do am. And she can't the beg. Depends where it be now, you know, the way it be to me. I say, okay, no problem. You can come. It's just 1 week you want to spend, no problem. And she can't come. As she come now, because my house, I get camera everywhere for my house. Yes, camera there everywhere for my house. So, this girl, as she can't come, me go come up for house, I go leave her. I don't know say he go they bring bros come my house. The bros na come they vandalize them for my parlor, my people. Oh, Korugbeke. I bet if you need the video, anybody, any content creator, if you need the video, make una let me know. Okay, what it happen? I can't tell you say he can't go come one live video presenter. He can't go tell her say me share ikpekus for social media. He said me share ikpekus for social media. Now the social media presenter call me. As she called me, cause say, is that Mama Didi? And I say, yeah, this Mama Didi Canada TV show. Yes, the gallant lady herself. Yes, the talking Nadu lady. Yes. I say, okay, good. I'm in the right place. I say, you are welcome, darling. Now we call the talk. Oh, now she called me say, oh, person will come my house. So the person thought say, now so I put camera for my house. So now a day to when you want to come out, now you observe say I get camera and he don't do many things for my house. Oh, Kurugbeke. Not be so robot they talking. Oh, Turugbeke, it become gas. He said the only thing, the thing where can't even pay na pass. Say the lady tell her, say me don't share ikpekus for social media. My people, if you need the video, I beg make una contact me. If you get my phone number, just WhatsApp me. I go send you the video. I say, hey, tell me something, yo. Send me share ikpekus for social media. For where? Which social media? For my platform, be where? Wonder shall never end. You pray not to help evil people like that. Now say, but this lady not call me, oh. He not tell me say, Mama did this, see, oh, you on camera, now so I do this and he can't carry boy, can't they vandalize them for my house, my people. Can't they vandalize them? Now I tell the social media, now I tell her say, my lady, this one way they talk, so he just look new to me. Me no even know say that kind of thing dey. Me no even know. I me no even check my camera. My camera and my security. Me no even know because why camera they has maybe say all those bad people come or something lost on your house. You can check from your camera. You understand? I say that make me get my camera for her. So I say he said me never go share am for you Facebook or social media. Say, what social media she say I send her put? I be you not check my channel if he did my channel. Now I say now make him call me make him ask me say why I do that kind of thing. Say not suppose. I say my sister now God go bless you. Now I say as you just talking so me I go check my camera. Now I go check my camera. Now I see where the guy they vandalize them. My people, Now I just cut where the guy they vandalize am. So anybody, any content creator, if you need the video, just if you not get my phone number, just put comment for my comment section there and make you see contribute for this matter too. Contribute before you go ask me the number, okay? I go inbox you, or you fit drop your number for my this thing there. I go send you the video, make you take vandalize, make we just vandalize and we but because he not go let me do, you know why? Because now she don't bring me come out. What I not do, she say I don't. You understand? So now my people, now she carry me go. Now the lady come say, ah, he na so it happen. I say, my sister, na so it happen. Me no even know, na so they talk and so me want go check my camera. My people, this life, not get part 2, only part 1. Evil people everywhere. They are walking around. They are smiling around. Me don't do good for you finish. I don't carry you. So now that banana carry you come my house. You no fear. You can't do it. Don't go see you not even go my bedroom. Go do it. Even camera dey my bedroom. We go catch your kpekus. My people, if you na see the kpekus, if you na want see am, make una inbox me. Make I show now how the guy take vandalize am for my parlor, my people. Now he carry me, now call am. Now call am, tell her say come. My sister, na so your good go kill you. Na so you be. You tell me say you bring my call come vandalize you for my house. Why you can't go carry me go meet social media? They come, they call me, they ask me say so see. I say, na so you wicked. Na so na say now this one you they do when I not there house. Wonder shall never end. Some girls are so desperate. They are so desperate. Now I tell her say that your kpekus are Moshera. That's why I can't lie now. Say anybody wey need them, make una meet me, make una call me. I go share the kpekus for una. I go share the video for una. Because they say person where they say make them not crying, they go laughing. So this I won't be now. I want make everybody shame. I want make everybody tell them who. Una see ah. Now see how this life be. Now see how people they wicked. You come my house. Okay, that 1 week now. Why you not go spend that for outside? May you go shop the tea for that side. Where you call carry and come my house. House where children for the play. Now see how people wicked. That's why some people say no one do good again. Your good now go conscience to evil. I don't do good for you now. You can't carry me waka. You know if you call me, tell me say mama see oh. You know if you call me, you just carry me way. That one don't even put me as topic. The gallant lady herself. You put me for topic. No worry. Before she go put me for topic, your own kpekus. I carry this video come for you, can't tell you say I want make sure say I do your kpekus like this. Anybody wey need them, anybody wey need the video, make una contact me. Make I give una the kpekus. If una see the kpekus, na yeye kpekus o. Very yeye. Even the boy banana, very yeye. Yeah. So you know your fear. You come my house, can't do no nonsense. You see why I say nobody they come my house. I'm using this video again. This is the second time I'm saying this. If you know say you want see me, you want know me, please go and rent your hotel. If you don't get money to rent hotel, don't come. And if me want visit you, I will not stay your house, guys. You not get you gallant, Trisha. They my hotel. Yeah, where me I do nene ma where I me. I not too know how to make parable, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying about talking about. So now my people, me when I come visit you, I will be on my hotel because you know why? I need my privacy. You know those people where they just use their kpekus, they look for money. They no want use their money again because they don't give Black Boy the money finish. Black Boy don't. This girl why they talk so. He never even build one house for Nigeria. Never, even where they stay, he's squatting with somebody. My people, if they squat with somebody. Why be say this life, and when you do good for people, they will pay you with evil? Why they be like that? Why be say people they very wicked? I mean, I don't even know what happen. As I told you, maybe say I won't even share my camera, and maybe say something lost or all those bad people come. It's for security. Hope you guys who are the diaspora, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, it's for your safety. God forbid evil come, bad people come. That camera can catch their face and everything. Now it be not be to come put on for us, come take the monitor person. You know even reason I make you ask me first. If maybe say that one not coming, maybe not even know what they happen. Maybe not so if I tell the I mean not even go there, go check whether anything like that happen. Because for me, I feel say she's a big girl. Why will I be doing that? You understand? They say clean conscience, fear no accusation. Because your conscience not clean, my sister. You know, say I dey talk to you, you know. Your conscience not clean. And me will feed you for 1 week. You cannot give me kudos. You want to give another person kudos. No wahala. We go see for social media. Me, I not go publish them. I will give all my gallant people, all my gallant ladies, may they help me publish your kpekus. Yes. Go make sure say they everywhere. Will they use and drink Gary? Go they use and drink out, you know, Gary. Your kpekus go they go everywhere because now you can't look for me. I not can't look for you. So my people, now be the story when I carry come today. Anybody that is interested about this video, please do not forget to contact me. Yes, contact me. I will send you the video, and I'm not doing the video. I want to make sure say our kpekus go everywhere. Do you know the worst thing? She cannot even apologize. She not say sorry. She say abadua. Are you kidding me? Before you come my house, you don't know say there is camera. And before you carry man call, you don't know say there's camera that is watching you. My people, now see how people are so ungrateful. Ungrateful people. So my darling people, all my gallants and daddies in the house, please guys, leave your comments. I beg. This as soon as this video reach, so make una leave una comments. I know say some people go say, Mama Didi, please, or don't share the video. Before you say, please don't share the video or don't give it to anybody, leave your comment first about wetin this girl do. If na good thing, say you go call person house, you can't carry man, the man come dey jogodo you for them. I beg, make una leave una comment under the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. I beg, if you never first subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that anytime I make back, you will be back with me. You hear me? Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. May the good Lord continue to bless you. May you never see evil that come to you, like evil, like that girl. May they not come to you and bite you in the back. In the mighty name of Jesus. I see you guys on my next video. So, bye for now.